Hey, what's up guys? It is Sunshine Nose here, and today I'm going to be dropping a Clash of Clans video for you. Um, this is honestly being very frustrating. My internet is being really crappy, and the past like 3 times I've tried to make a video, it has lagged out. So, for example, I'll show you my little attack that I had here. I was just learning the rules of Clash of Clans, you know, like any other person that kind of stopped playing this game for a while should. I learned that the troops walk out of the poison cell unless there's troops inside. Then I dropped my lightning spells, and then I got kicked out of the match. So I just sat there for the rest of the game because my Wi-Fi disconnected. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. Today, we're here to talk about this boat. This boat allows us to go to this other beautiful island. And this beautiful island here, instead of having town hall, you have a builder hall. And it's got all sorts of magical things, like different walls. It's got archer towers that can go down on the ground and then up high. Got double cannons, which shoot 4 bullets instead of just one. We've got firecrackers instead of whatever the heck they had. Air defense, and then these push traps that shoot the... Instead of flying the enemy troop into oblivion, it kind of just shoots it over to this little X here. So, I think that I covered most of the buildings. So now, for the army camps, instead of training a certain number of troops, you can just only... Ouch! My cat just bit my foot. Okay, ow! What are you doing, cat? Stop attacking me. Okay, I swear I'm okay, guys. But instead of having just troops that you can, whatever you call train, it just has little slots for troops. So you can just assign one type of troop into each army camp that you have, and I have 2 army camps, so I can have 2 different types of troops, or 2 sets of the same troop. But, so, when it comes to troops, you got this thing, the Star Laboratory, which is basically the research center that you can just give your troops special abilities, and just improve them, and give them more troops per army camp. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of that. Let's go and roll into an attack here and see how we do. So I'm going to be doing the archer and giant thing. So this base would have been a very good base for the minion giant attack strategy, which is just where you take out all the air defense and then you just have your minions swipe the base, because they can't do anything about it. But that's not what kind of base we have here. So let's drop these guys here. Oh, and then let's drop... Oops. Okay, just... It's fine. So, and take out these dudes. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, so I think we got this one. As long as my archers take that Tesla out. Yeah, there we go. So that's an easy W right there. Unless they've got this packed with like 500 more traps, but... yeah. So, nice 3-star there. Easy money. Now you guys kind of understand how that works. And then, so for this, if they get less of your base destroyed than you destroyed of theirs, so if I got 100% and they only got 75%, then I would win that battle, and I would get the trophies, and then the loot bonus that comes with the winning. But if he were to get 100%, now we're getting 100%, it would just be 0 everything. Yep, see, 0 trophies. And if he were to, or if I were to get like 90% and he got 100%, then I would lose trophies. But that's how that works. I think that pretty much covers it on this side of things. And then I'm going to go over and use an attack with my main base and probably fail miserably. But something that they added that's really nice is that once you collect resources, it collects it for all of the resources instead of just that one collector that you clicked on. It collects all of the same things. So if I were to collect an elixir, it would collect all the elixir. If I were to collect the gold, it would collect all the gold. And so on and so forth. I don't know if I already said this, but you can gear up your defenses now. So then this would become a double cannon that shoots 4, just like in the other base. And then they also have the archer tower, which will be coming soon. That makes it shorter but shoot faster and has less range. Okay, so let's quickly gem these. And then let's roll out for an attack. So I'm pretty much gonna go for a 3-star here. I know that I will probably not beat this guy, so I'm gonna skip him. I know that I could probably... No. I think that one's gonna be a no too. Yeah, I'm just trying to get one that has like very badly placed air defense, which is pretty hard to find up here in Gold 3 or wherever. Oh, yep, this guy's totally my type of person to attack. I'm really tempted to attack this guy just because there's so much loot. Oh, that is an insane amount of loot. But I do not have the right kind of army for that. Again, all of these have very centralized everything. I think I might just attack this dude. Yeah, I'm just gonna attack this kid. Let's... Oh. That archer has more range than I expected. Let's see. I think I'm gonna destroy this guy. Yep. And then... Oh. I've actually, like, never really looked at those skeleton things before. But time is running short. We must hurry up with this process. Alright, let's throw down some dragons here. And then let's throw down a king. And some archers behind him. Oops, didn't mean to put his ability down, but... Go, dragons. Hopefully that'll take care of his defenses and stuff. Yep. So, that wizard tower is probably going to be a little frustrating. But yeah, it looks like that didn't go too badly. I probably used a little bit too much of my time messing around with my archers rather than focusing on the battle, which is never a good thing. So it looks like I'm finally taking out that wizard tower with my one archer also. If I could 3-star this, that would actually be really nice. I just want that dark elixir, man. I need that. Yeah, so it's not gonna be a 3-star, but that's fine. I got most of the loot. Good 200,000 gold, 80,000 elixir, 1,500 dark elixir, 25 or 22 trophies, excuse me, and then I get my nice bonus there. Ugh, if you heard something earlier, that was my sister. Okay, so I'll demonstrate this nice little collecting of resources. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm just pressing one thing. So cool. I wish I could be that cool. I really want to upgrade some of these spells in the Valkyrie. That would be nice. Okay, well, I think that's gonna be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me what you think of this new update in the comments. And tell me anything that you want me to play or do on my channel. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Peace out.